I made peach hot sauce recently and it was one of a kind. So now we're taking on something a little special, raspberry hot sauce. We're lacto-fermented again, so we'll need a 5% brine of water and fine sea salt. Mix together until the salt's dissolved and put to one side. Grab your chili of choice. I use Fresno. Remove the stalks and cut in half. We're blending them later, so don't worry about chopping them finely. Then grab yourself some gorgeous little ripe raspberries. Nothing needs doing, just leave them as is. And pick some fresh rosemary ready as well. Then put the raspberries, chilies and rosemary into a large jar, packing them down there nice and tight. Pour in the brine to completely cover the fruit, then seal the jar tightly, and now we wait. Like and follow for part 2. I'm kidding. Ferment your raspberries and chilies for as long as you like. I did mine for a little over a week for that good tang, but it's down to personal taste. Once fermented, open the jar. Look at those bubbles. This thing is alive. Strain the raspberries and chilies through a sieve, reserving the brine. We're going to be needing that later on. These chilies have softened nicely, and the raspberries, well, you're just going to have to try them for yourself. Place everything into a blender with some homemade raspberry vinegar, a good splash of that brine, and a squeeze of lime. Blitz everything together until smooth, and add a little olive oil just to thicken and mellow the sauce. And that's it. A summery little sauce that's up there with the best so far. You know I had to put it to the test, so I heated it up with a little bit of butter until smooth, knocked up some chicken wings, drowned them in sauce, and destroyed those spicy bastards. If you love hot sauce, give this one a go because it truly smacks. Make that sauce, coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.